Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is an update on my EcoFiltro water filter. I've had it for almost a month now and I love it. I ain't got to buy no more bottled water. So this is how, that's the water level of it. Now I usually top it off maybe twice a week.
I'm trying to get out.
And somebody said because she's elderly, she can't be lifting 7 gallons of water because this holds 7 gallons. Okay, once you set it up, you just get the pitcher of your choice to pour water in it. To pour water in there. Here's the spigot. And the water actually is filtered through this flower pot looking thing. That's the filter. And I love it. So I'm able to drink my tap water now. Let me turn this around. Okay, I'm in the living room now. I keep my filter in the family room on a little side table. I love it. What I do is fill up bottles of water and put them in my refrigerator. So I always got a cold drink. What you doing, little boy? Makai is here. So, if you're elderly and you can't lift much, see, I'm elderly too. I'm 70 years old. And it's not that heavy when it's empty. But so you set it where it's gonna go. And then you pour your water in it. Don't try to fill it up and then try to find a place to put it. So I got it where it's gonna go. And I love it. So just a little update about my EcoFiltro water filter. And this is what they use in Mexico. So if it filters their drinking water to make it drinkable, I trusted it to filter mine. I live in Illinois. So, and previously I was buying water. I was buying so much water. Cases and cases of water. So I stopped all that. I feel free. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested, I'll leave the link, the Amazon link, to my EcoFiltro water filter. It doesn't need any electricity, no batteries, none of that. All it needs is that big old clay pot. That's the actual filter and the container that the pot fits in. Okay. And it needs to be, the clay pot needs to be cleaned with a clean sponge and water only once every 6 months. And it needs to be replaced after 2 years. I guess depending on how much use it gets. Okay. Just a short update. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye. There's Makai being cute. His mama letting his hair grow. Makai, say hi to the honeys.
Hi, hi.